Get that viewer on the line and see who has won this online poll. We're gonna one ringy dingy, two ringy ding. Oh, he's dialing. Remember dials? Weren't they quaint?
Hello?
Oh,
Hi, is this Wendy?
Yes, it is.
Hi, Wendy. This is John Fogerty. Hello.
Hello, John. How are you?
I'm doing good. How are you down in Louisiana?
I am doing wonderful. I just want you to know I'm your #1 fan.
And I believe it, too. Because the
My
word
husband-
fan has 2 syllables.
Right.
And
My husband
should
saw
I
you
explain
in
why
Monroe,
we have called?
Louisiana in the 70s. Unfortunately, I was not able to attend that concert. I was only 12 years old at the time.
Where were we playing then?
Monroe, Louisiana.
Oh, yeah, cool. That's the home of Jerry Lee Lewis and perhaps Tony Joe White, too.
Close, very close. You're right. But after 30 years of marriage, my husband and I are going to get to see you in Nashville, Tennessee.
There you
in 2
go.
weeks.
the lovely Ryman Auditorium.
Yeah, we'll be down at the Ryman. Well, come on
I
up,
will-
Wendy, and say
I will
hello
be
when I'm
there.
there. And the
And
reason...
I'd love to get to meet you when I make that show.
Absolutely, you can count on it.
I wanted to let you know that the song that I am requesting was voted most by your fans on PBS.
Awesome.
What song is it?
Have you ever seen the rain?
Well, God bless you, Wendy, for that. Yeah, okay, we're going to do that right now.
This is the one that won the poll. Have you ever seen the rain? It's John Fogerty, everybody. Live by request, where you are making it happen.
Someone told me long ago there's a call me for a storm. I know it's been coming for some time. When it's over, so they say it'll rain a sunny day. I know, shining down like water. I wanna know, have you ever seen the rain? I wanna know, well, have you ever seen the rain? Coming down a sunny day. Yesterday and days before, sun is cold, the rain is hot. I know, I've been that way for all my time. Till forever on it goes, through the circle, fast and slow. I know, and it can't stop. I wonder, I wanna know, have you ever seen the rain? I wanna know, but have you ever seen the rain? Coming down a sunny day. I wanna know, have you ever seen the rain? I wanna know, but have you ever seen the rain? Coming down a sunny day.
I want to know.